Hello business owners, my name is Stephanie Livingston, CPA. I am a business tax strategic solutionist, and what that means is I help business owners just like you every day work with the same business variables you have and expect different results. And I'm so excited about this method of teaching that I'm bringing it to Magnolia, Texas for the first time, teaching a class live at Magnolia Woods, Honia Egypt Road, January 29th, where you can learn my best strategic moves and expect different results for 2026. Thank you. Hope to see you.